Everybody knows the importance of sleep, but did you know sleep is actually a cycle that can be divided into 3 different stages? First, start with stage 1, light sleep. During this stage, your eye and muscle activity start to slow down as your body prepares for deep sleep and relaxation, but can still be awakened easily. Stage 2, deep sleep. In this stage, your breathing and heartbeat will slow down. Eye and muscle movements stop completely. At the same time, your body goes into restoration mode, helping with recovery and boosting your immune system. After that comes to the stage 3, REM. REM, known as rapid eye movements, which means that your eyes begin to move speedily and randomly. On top of that, this is the dreaming stage, when your brain is almost as active as when you're awake. And it is important for forming memories and processing information. These 3 stages form into a sleep cycle during your sleep. It will take you more time to wake up during the stage 2 and 3. That's why sometimes you still feel sleepy, even when you have got enough sleep. In the past, Garmin devices only used movement and heart rate to analyze your sleep. However, if you have a compatible watch, with this update, we're using additional data, such as heart rate variability to measure your time to spend in each stage. The new function of REM monitoring can also help you grasp your sleep cycle better. Each color represents a stage in your sleep cycle and how long it takes in your sleep process. And you could easily check this data from your Garmin Connect. Also, for the most accurate reading, make sure you wear your device at least 2 to 4 hours before bedtime, and keep it on your wrist the whole time while you're sleeping. And set the device as your preferred activity tracker. Hope you learned the sleep cycle better now. Sleep tight and have a wonderful dream.